All right, so upon request, we are going to find the surface area of a cone. All right. So let's see here. To find the surface area of a cone, well, remember, we need to get all sides of it. So all the way around it and, of course, the part underneath it. Well, if you notice here, the part underneath the base is a circle. So how do we find the area of a circle? Well, that's pi r squared. All right, and then the part around it, that's going to be the lateral area. The lateral area of a cone is given by pi times the radius times L. We're going to L here is going to be what's called the slant height. Now, that's not the height straight up and down the cone. It is the, it's called the slant height. It's the height along the edge of it. So let's see here. Let's say the radius of the cone is 3 and the height of the cone is 4. Now this is a right cone, so this is a right angle down here at the bottom. And you may notice that this makes a right triangle. So let's draw that down here separately. We have a right triangle, and the base of that triangle is 3. The height of the triangle is 4, and we need to find the hypotenuse of the right triangle, which corresponds to the slant height of the cone. Well, we know how to do that. Pythagorean theorem. So we have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals L squared. That's 9 plus 16, which is 25. So if L squared is 25, L is 5. All right, so we now have the slant height of the cone. We can go ahead and put it here instead. And now we just got to fill in the formula. So let's see. Pi times the radius. Well, the radius of the circle is 3 squared plus pi. Again, the radius is 3. The slant height we figured out is 5. 3 squared is 9, so that's 9 pi. 3 times 5 is 15 pi. 9 pi, 15 pi is 24 pi. All right, so here we go. The surface area is 24 pi. If the problem already gives you the slant height, you do not have to use the Pythagorean theorem. But if the slant height is missing and you have the radius and the normal height of the cone, then you will have to use the Pythagorean theorem to find that missing slant height. Once you have the slant height and the radius, just plug it in, you get your answer, you'll be done. All right, hope that helps.